Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to talk about how we can install Jenkins on Ubuntu system. So basically the prerequisite for this video is like system Java should be there. So if I just do here Java hyphen version, so we'll see I'm having a 21 OpenJDK 21.0.8 version. Okay. So in your system also, if the same version is there, that's quite good, or that is recommended. Like you should use the 21 now for the latest Jenkins. So we have a different options here. You can see Docker, Kubernetes, Linux, and even Windows. But we are going for the Linux, but we are going to use it with the WAR file, like because it's quite an easy and it's not time consuming as well. So what we are going to do, first of all, you need to download the latest Jenkins WAR file. So that you can just click on this first one, generic java.war. Okay, so it will start downloading. So jenkins.war is getting downloaded. So once it's done, then that you will see you have to open up a terminal or command prompt anywhere, and then run this command java-jar jenkins.war. Okay, so the same thing we are going to do. So we'll create a Jenkins directory. Okay, so it has been downloaded into the downloads directory. If we go there in downloads, you will see this. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a directory with name Jenkins. Okay, and then we are going to move the files. Okay, from downloads we have jenkins.war at Jenkins folder. So if we go in Jenkins, so we have this jenkins.war. Okay, so now the command what we have to do, java-jar jenkins.war. Okay, just run it, and it will open up. Yeah, so it has given the default ID for you, that is a secret. Okay, so you have to open up your browser and you have to go for this link. As here you can see localhost 8080. Make sure there is no any other service running on this particular port. Okay, so by default I came here only, so let me just go back and copy this, and I will open up here again. So we have to enter the administrator password. Okay, so administrator password, this is the administrator password as first time if you're doing. Just do continue, not now. Okay, so next you should go for the install suggested plugins. So it will be installing required plugins for you. That will be the basic plugins that is required for all the CI/CD operations. So we'll wait until it's done. It will take a few minutes of time. So till then I'll just pause the video and we'll back once it's done. Okay, so it's done. So now you have to create your first admin user. So let's create. I will just give it the name as the Ayush. Email for now you can give anything, that's fine. Or you, it's not like you have to give any like enterprise email, you can give anything. Okay, so just save and continue. So this will be the local host. Okay, save and finish, start using Jenkins. Okay, so from here you can just create your job. You can go for the freestyle or the pipeline based, any kind of job which you want to create on this Jenkins, that you can go for it. Okay, so next time if you do if you go for the logout, so here you will see it is logged in with the Ayush only. So with the same user you have to log in. Okay, and this is the path. This is the logs all you can see, and keep note of this path. Okay, wherever it will create this secret. If you want to log in with the admin, then you need to use this password itself. Okay, so in this way you can just install or use the Jenkins in your Ubuntu system. If I do control C, so Jenkins will stop and its connection is gone. So if you want to make it like run every time, you can just run into the no hop mode. Okay, so if I see the no hop dot out, so if I go for air, we'll see whether it's accessible or not for us. So it's loading, and we'll see no hop dot out also. So logs are coming up. So you can just make means run that war file into the no hop mode, and now the password, username password, it will ask whatever you have set. Okay, to sign in, and here it is. Jenkins user is Ayush. Okay, so this is the way to use the Jenkins, and in this way you can just install or use. So we have other methods also, Linux and all, that is using the sudo apt install Jenkins. That also is fine. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.